Feel the rhythm? It's Jamaican pride representing for CCN World TV News. It's CCN World TV News.
What if I told you one of Jamaica's brightest young minds had the chance to build a comfortable life overseas, but instead packed his bags and came back home? At a time when so many of our doctors are leaving Jamaica, at a time when patients spend hours waiting in emergency rooms, at a time when many Jamaicans have lost confidence in the healthcare system, one young doctor made a decision that is turning heads across the country. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, I want to ask you one important question. Could people like Dr. Orbin O'Bryan Barnes be a part of the future Jamaica has been praying for? Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are highlighting a story that reminds us there is still hope for Jamaica. According to the Jamaica Gleaner, Dr. Orbin O'Bryan Barnes, who hails from Savanna-la-Mar, Westmoreland, has returned home after graduating as valedictorian from Jinzhou Medical University in China. Think about that just for a moment. Not simply graduating, not merely becoming a doctor, but graduating at the very top of his class. That is an achievement that deserves recognition. It tells us that excellence still exists among our young Jamaicans. And perhaps even more impressive, he has returned home with a desire to serve Jamaica. Now, here's what really caught my attention. Many people dream of leaving Jamaica for better opportunities. So, why would someone who has achieved this level of success choose to come back? That question alone makes this story worth discussing. Let's be honest with ourselves. Healthcare is one of the biggest concerns facing Jamaica today. Almost every Jamaican knows someone who has spent countless hours waiting to see a doctor, countless hours sleeping in wheelchair with nowhere to elevate their feet. Many families have experienced overcrowded hospitals, no bed. Some struggle to access specialist care. Others travel long distances simply to receive treatment. Now, let me be very clear. None of this is meant to criticize the hard-working doctors, nurses, technicians, and hospital staff across Jamaica. Many of them work incredibly long hours with limited resources. They deserve our gratitude and respect. The reality is that the healthcare system faces significant challenges, and those challenges affect everyone. That is why stories like Dr. Barnes matter, because every skilled doctor who chooses Jamaica instead of leaving strengthens the healthcare system. Every compassionate physician makes a difference. Every life saved matters. But here's another question. Imagine if 10, 20, even 100 young Jamaican doctors decided to follow the same path. Can you imagine how much stronger our healthcare system could become over the next decade? This is the kind of vision that should inspire all of us. Dr. Barnes' journey also sends a powerful message to young Jamaicans. Your circumstances do not determine your future. Growing up in a small town does not limit your dreams. Whether you come from Savanna-la-Mar, Kingston, Montego Bay, Portland, or St. Thomas, hard work, discipline, faith, and determination can open doors around the world. His story is proof of that. But there is something else we often overlook. Jamaica has never lacked talent. Our challenge has always been keeping that talent here. So whenever a brilliant Jamaican decides to return home, and invest in our people, that decision deserves to be celebrated. Dr. Barnes, if you ever happen to watch this video, allow me on behalf of many Jamaicans to say welcome home and may God continue to bless your career. May He grant you wisdom as you care for your patients. May your hands bring healing. May your compassion bring comfort. And may your example inspire another generation of young Jamaicans to believe that serving their country is still a noble calling. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Do you believe Jamaica can improve its healthcare system if more of our brightest doctors choose to return home? Or do you think much bigger changes are needed? Share your thoughts respectfully in the comment below. Let's congratulate Dr. Orbin O'Bryan Barnes on this incredible achievement and wish him God's richest blessing as he begins this new chapter. If you enjoyed this positive Jamaican story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and may God continue to bless Jamaica land we love.